Hey guys, welcome to another SaaS landing page teardown. Today we have Spendflo, which is an awesome tool where you can figure out ways to get like discounts and find the best prices for SaaS products, right? When companies have a lot of softwares that they need to use to run their business, they probably spend a lot of money on software, so they have platforms like these where they can save a bunch of money, right? So the reason why this page is really good is because instead of just saying that we have a SaaS buying and optimization platform, right, or we have a tool to buy SaaS products, right, make it really dull, really focused on the product. What they do is they focus on what people actually want instead. Is they don't want a platform to buy SaaS. They want a tool to compare prices. They don't want a tool to negotiate contracts. They just want to save hundreds of thousands of dollars or tens of thousands of dollars every year on software, right? That's what they want. So that's what they promise, right? So they're going to save up to 30% on your SaaS stack, or you get your money back, right? So really irresistible offer here. This is more or less the ROI that we get for clients. This is the amount of time we save in hours and savings and all this stuff. They have a super clear call to actions that is directly related to this. So instead of just saying, let's have a demo about our platform and we'll show you our product, no, they focus on the result again. Let's have a call to figure out to have an estimate of how much money you can save on software, and then we show you the tool later, right? So this is exactly what SaaS companies should do. Focused on the result of what their product offers, not on the product itself, right? Because that's what people want. They don't want to buy another SaaS product. They just want the results that you offer. So that's a really good way of doing it. Then they show the problem, which is something that I talk about all the time, and I have on my own landing page formula that I use with all my clients, right? Because we're talking about the problem, it reminds us that we have a bunch of renewals all the time, and we're probably paying more for each product that we offer. And then if you have to approve, like the bigger the company, you have like several people in the team wanting to buy software, but they need approval. And then you need to approve all the time, or different people on the team need to approve it. And then there's no high-level preview of the amount of money that you're spending, right? And so on and so forth. So now you have this product where you save a bunch of money. You know exactly where you're spending your money. You can approve and deny each one of them. You can get like reports on the go. Like literally, it's replacing every single thing that they're doing manually with doing renewals, and replacing the reports that they're doing manually and all this stuff, and replacing with one platform that just does it all, kind of works in the background, saves them a bunch of money. Pretty irresistible offer here, right? So they kind of showed every single thing that they need to know, from that they can track the spends, that they can approve each renegotiation or the purchase of each product and all that stuff. So it's super clear, right? And then again, they have that call to action as well, right? Where you can talk with an expert. They'll show you how much money they can save. And it seems like a very valuable call, right? Because people expect that a demo is just going to be a very long call. That is a presentation. They're barely going to have time to ask questions. And then they're just going to show the features that they want to show, not the features that you care about, right? So this is the preconceived expectation that they have about jumping on a call with a SaaS company, and they just completely turn that around. So they are a really good example of exactly what SaaS companies should do, right? And the perfect example of focusing on the result rather than the product itself, right? So if you're interested in seeing how you can have messaging like this for your own website, go to Cortez.design and schedule like your free strategy session. Basically what that is me looking at your website like a turn like this, and we go over what are the biggest opportunities that we have. Sometimes you might be able to squeeze 10 or 20% more revenue just by optimizing your website if that's the main way you're getting leads. That can mean 100K or 200K or 300K in extra revenue just by tweaking the website itself. So these are things that you might be doing already. But we can squeeze way more conversions out of it, right? So if you're interested in seeing how you can squeeze more conversions out of the traffic you already have, just go to cortez.design/apply or click here to book a call, and we'll book a call, right? We'll start off with a quick intro call first, just to figure out if I can help you in the first place, get some more context to prepare for the other call, and then we can take it from there, right? So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this page in the comments, and hopefully see you on a call. Cheers.